We're making banana bread.
Creations, cooking creations.
Hey Google, start cooking.
Resuming the recipe from where you left off.
Drats. 38 steps to cook this? Holy buckets, girl. What? No, absolutely not. I don't even know what that means. Okay. Hey Google, next step. With parchment paper. Interesting. I'm not against it. Anything that's gonna help my cooking be better. Wait, I'm putting parchment paper and cooking spray? Why? This is a mess. Oh my gosh. I think I need to cut the parchment paper. I think I need to FaceTime Elizabeth while I do this. Let's see if she wants to be a part of this. What? She can't talk right now? Bogus. We're getting real... She's FaceTiming her sister. Rude. We're getting really skilled now. Like, we're cutting parchment paper to fit in a pan. Man, this step takes like 10 minutes. Good enough. We're not doing that. Hey Google, next step. I got all the ingredients this time, but I didn't get all the like tools I need for the show. Melt the butter, melt the butter, melt the butter. Hey Google, next step.
Melt the butter in the microwave or over low heat on the stovetop.
You already told me melt the... Okay, whatever.
Cream it with the sugar in a stand mixer in the next step.
Cream it with the sugar? You don't care about that. It's not plugged in because that scares me. Got it? Together. We got it together. I feel like I'm on the TV show Nailed It with the recipe. I should try to do it in like a certain amount of time too. Oops. The butter, okay. The butter's definitely melted now. Oh, drats. Okay, hold on.
Place the melted butter and sugar in a large bowl and whisk until combined.
Well, it said to cream it together on this. Drats, what? I think that's probably creamed together.
Until fluffy.
Oh, drats. Okay, that's not like lot and fluffy yet. Well, no wonder it's 30 whatever steps. That's a step right there. Is this for real? This is never gonna be light and fluffy. This is what resembles wet sand. Shout out to my last video. S'mores guys. Okay. I think that's light and fluffy enough. It's not though. Okay. Hey Google, next step? I don't know.
Add the eggs.
Add the eggs. I can do that.
Crack the eggs into the bowl.
Okay. This is the stupidest instructions ever. I love the smell of vanilla. My bananas are really gross looking. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Just peel them and add them. These are really good banana bread bananas. But they're really gross everything else bananas. That's probably not the way to match them, but I don't care. This is the most interesting way I've ever made banana bread in my life. Okay, why does it have every direction twice? I'm not really good at this baking soda situation. Okay, it says to use a spatula. We're just gonna use this anyway. I don't want to overmix. Hey Google, next step. Hey Google, next step. Hey Google.
The next step.
Next step, not next stop.
Would you like to stop this recipe?
No, I wanted the next part of the recipe, Google. Drats. Hey Google.
Here are some recipes I found.
Oh, Marlanta. It's asking me about eggs. Hey Google. Banana bread recipes. Drats.
Here you go. Let me know when you
Oh
want
my
to
gosh,
start
it's
cooking.
not lasagna. Hey Google. Banana bread recipes.
Here are some recipes I found.
Yeah.
Resuming the recipe from where you left off.
Please. Last but not least, scatter blah blah blah. Pour the batter into the pan. Okay. Yes, this is really hard with one person. Voila. Creations by Julie.